is Quilliams.
Auberge Quilliams?
Yes, Auberge Quilliams. And if you turn around, turn, you see the beautiful mountain of the lake. You can ice fish. Isn't that just the best? You can ice fish. Just Dad, you can ice fish. And when the fish you go, and then you get the fishy out, then you eat the fishy for dinner. But I don't think I want to eat the fishy for dinner because you got to eat at the diner.
So they're like little houses out there and everything.
Yeah.
So here, let's go over into Auberge Quilliams. Here, hold my hand.
Crossing the road.
We're crossing the road to Auberge Quilliams.
This is Auberge Quilliams.
And this is our resort where we're staying, right?
This is our resort where we are staying. We are about to enter nice Quilliams. And I'll open the door so the person that's on the camera, my daddy, can get in.
Merci beaucoup.
And open the now I open the other door.
Merci beaucoup.
And now we're entering Quilliams. Let's take a peek in the diner. Take a wee peek.
Bonjour.
And this is the dining room.
Merci.
Show the bar. Now we shall turn.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, vous?
Ah, Jean. Bonsoir. Excusez-moi.
Dad, can we go up to show the pool?
No, I'm too old and tired.
And this is the hallway up, and you can peek down at the pool, and you can peek down in a minute, and see this, that's where you can rest, wait lines, and check in, check out,
Oh, there's a fire.
in the fire, yes. 5 minutes. You can take a peek at the pool.
Go in the boy way.
With that,
Any boys in here?
the boys don't smoke so good.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse us.
And now we'll show the pool. And then this is the hot tub. Come here.
Actually, I don't want to spend much time in here. It's too humid. Out through the girl way? You sure there are no girls in there, please?
Are there any girls in here? Great. Head up. Now we're going to head toward the stairs.
Whoa, there are actually other guests at this hotel?
Yes.
Eh, bonjour.
Take a peek at the pool again.
Uh-huh.
We're moving up the stairs just to the top. Going up the stairs to our room. Our room is very pretty indeed. And I must say some more stuff. Yeah.
Sound pretty excited about it.
Yes.
Yeah. Merci.
Let's go through the hallway. We're just about to enter our room. Welcome.
Still loud
I'm
outside.
putting my pants on.
Hey! Watch out. Girl's naked. Watch
I'm
out.
naked. Go away. I'm getting a copy of the. How was it outside?
Very nice, thank you.
We didn't go out.
Uh-oh, you got fired up about taking pictures. Now you can't stop.
Something like that.
Excuse me, I'm
How
trying
was
to
it?
change. Wait, I want to. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
I'm gonna show
You
my
can stop
class,
now.
Blair.
Okay, I want to show my class my pretty dress that I'm wearing to dinner, but don't show me now because I'm naked.